Welcome to our guide on growing dragon fruit at home. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, this fascinating tropical cactus can be a rewarding addition to your garden. Not only will you enjoy its striking appearance, but you'll also harvest delicious fruits from this remarkable plant. Let's talk about what dragon fruit needs to thrive. These plants love warm, sunny spots with temperatures between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. While they're heat tolerant, they can't handle frost, so protect them when it's cold. Your dragon fruit will need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, so choose its location carefully. The right soil mix is crucial for success. Dragon fruit needs well-draining soil to prevent root rot. We recommend combining sandy soil, compost and perlite, or using a specialized cactus mix. If you're dealing with clay soil, you'll want to either add gypsum or create a raised mound. Remember, organic matter is your friend here. It helps create the perfect growing environment. There are two main ways to start your dragon fruit journey. First, you can grow from seeds. Simply extract them from a ripe fruit, dry them for 12 hours, and plant in moist, rich soil. Keep them covered and in indirect light until they sprout. The second method uses cuttings. Take a 30 to 50 centimeter cutting from a healthy plant. Let it dry for a week, then plant it in well-draining soil. Place it in bright, indirect light until roots develop. Dragon fruit needs consistent but careful watering. Water regularly during the growing season, but ease off in winter. Feed your plant every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer designed for cacti. If you prefer organic options, compost or seaweed extracts work great. Remember, dragon fruit is a climbing cactus, so it needs support as it grows. Install a strong trellis or stake early on. Regular pruning helps remove dead growth and encourages new stems where flowers and fruits will develop. Adding mulch around the base helps maintain moisture and protect the roots. While dragon fruit is generally hardy, watch out for root rot and fungal diseases. The key is good air circulation and avoiding overwatering. With proper care, these issues are easily prevented. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to growing your own dragon fruit at home. Soon you'll be enjoying both the unique beauty of this plant and its delicious fruits. Happy growing!